Hi, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Original Botanica. I'm Tatiana, and today we're diving into 7-day ritual candles. You know, those powerful, sacred candles that aren't just for decoration. They're meant to hold your intention and to manifest. But as long as you do it right. So let's talk about the common mistakes people make when using and burning 7-day candles. A 7-day candle isn't just wax and flame. It is a continuous prayer in motion. It works slowly, steadily, and with intention. That's why every step that you make before, during, and after burning it matters. Mistake number 1. Let's start with the biggest mistake people make: lighting a 7-day candle without intention. Some people think, I'll just light it and see what happens. But spiritually, the intention is the GPS of your candle. Before you light any candle, pause. Speak your intention out loud or in your heart. For example, this candle is for protection, peace, and spiritual guidance. It doesn't need to be long, but it should be clear, focused, and heartfelt. Mistake number 2, moving your candle around. Once your candle is lit, it should stay put. Moving it around or constantly picking it up can confuse the energy. The flame is your signal on how your work is going, and it needs stability. Choose a safe, quiet place before burning. Make sure it's on a heat-safe surface, away from drafts, and let it burn undisturbed. Mistake number 3, not prepping yourself or your space. Now, this is a very common mistake. Many people just light a candle without preparing themselves or their space, but your surrounding energy affects the candle and your work. Before doing any candle magic, make sure you clean your space and candle with sage, Florida water, or incense. Make sure to wash your hands with your favorite spiritual soap. And this is very important. Calm your mind. Let everything else go. Before doing any ritual, it's vital that you center and ground yourself, either through meditation or breath work. Let's move on to mistake number 4, blowing out your candle. This is a big one. Never blow out your 7-day candle. Blowing out your 7-day candle symbolically cuts the prayer and interrupts your energy. If you absolutely, positively need to extinguish the candle for safety, gently snuff it or pinch it. When you're ready to relight, just simply reaffirm your intention. Mistake number 5, misreading how the candle burns. Don't freak out if the candle smokes, cracks, or the glass gets black. That doesn't automatically mean something went wrong. Black soot? It could mean that there's heavy energy and that's being cleared. Cracks? It might signal a spiritual blockage. Uneven burn? Could reflect resistance or delayed energy. Here's the fix. Observe without fear. That's it. The candle is a guide, not a crystal ball. Trust the process. We have a video and blog post that talk about how to interpret candles. Check out the description for more information on that. Mistake number 6, improperly disposing of your candle. When a 7-day candle burns down completely, just don't toss it. That can weaken the spell. Dispose of the wax and the glass respectfully by burning the candle with intention. Check out the description for our blog post all about disposing of candles. Thank you for joining me today at Original Botanica. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more spiritual guidance. Until next time, honor your path and embrace your magic. Bye.